rather in the heart of the village for accessibility. And then also to make it more comprehensive, we added layers to it, so we're not running out of space anymore. So we have got quite a big land around the part up here. So this is just the beginning, and I think we're gonna add to it once we get more funding. So this is going to be the pre-primary side, 2 classrooms, and then the after school. Because the after school also going to have 2 classes at the same time, parallel. There's only a very little time in the afternoon to teach the children, so we have to have 2 classes running at the same time. 1 maths, 1 English, and then there's swap. So that we have 2 parallel classrooms running as well. Which is going to be in this classroom because it's a nice big light one. And the last one on the end, which is going to be the library and computer side.
Wow.
It has got a lot of space on the walls. So there's enough space for the books, and then also in between the books, in between the shelves, it's going to be the computers. So no place is wasted.
Oh wow. And it's all foundational learning, all preschool.
This is pre-primary, and then the after school is everybody above. So from grade 1 all the way up to grade 9. And then we're hoping to also get into matric practices again.
Yeah, and so like the after school classes, do you have teachers for that?
Yes, we do have teachers for that.
Okay.
Teachers for that. Yeah. So there is the afternoon lunch for the preschool kids. They're always getting a cooked lunch, and they have got a set formulas of always a protein and always a carbohydrate and always a vegetable in their meal.
And how many kids are you looking at having here?
So it's 30 in the morning, and then in the afternoon another 30. So it's going to be 120 kids going per day through the school. The difference here is that we have got enough storage space. Whereas in the old preschool, the storage with all the puzzles and the games and the educational learning was all stacked under the tables and up on the walls, and then the teacher's table was there. So it was all very narrow, and they had 53 children in one class last year. So it was really, it was very tiny. But the demand is there, so we.
And so much progress is going to be done now because of like 2 different classrooms as opposed to 50 kids crammed in one class. Yeah,
exactly. So,
and when do you think the centre is going to be up and running?
We're going to be hopefully moving by June.
By June. The kids are going to be so excited.
Yes.
So excited.
Good. Yeah. So this is a nice.
This is very lovely. This is very
good. Yeah.
And will all the kids have access to the library facilities and the computers?
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yes.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Good. Yeah, the ceilings.
Looking really good.
So one of the biggest things for the teachers was that they had their own office behind. They didn't want to eat next to the children their lunch. They didn't want to make the tea in the classrooms anymore. And they didn't want to do all the paperwork amongst the children as well. So their big wish to have a big office was definitely one we wanted and granted.
How many teachers do you have?
We've got 3 at the moment, but we're going to be 4 when we go to school.
When the officially starts. Okay, let's go to the library and the computer center. Are there any libraries in town currently, or any computer centers?
It's only the one we have got.
Yo.
Wow. So So the Ed Center is running a library since the word go to since 2006. We have got a library, and on the Mdumbi side, the books were all donated.
That's great. And with the computer center, you guys can have internet.
Yes.
Oh, that's gonna just like change their minds, eh? Just access to so much information.
Information flow.
Yes. Wow, this is gonna be it's gonna be a mind-shifting center, hey, for the kids. It really is. It really
Absolutely. Is. So it's going to be books on computers and after school in this one.
And a lot of learning and a lot of curiosity is going to happen in here.
Oh yeah,
a lot of ideas are going to be birthed in here.
This is
great. Okay, let's step out. Wow.
Our learning room, or the engine room, basically, where the TransCape team will sit and do their work.
And so the engine, eh?
Yeah,
this is the brain of the whole thing.
This is going to be the brain and the heart. So, yeah.
If you were to say, like, what grand impact do you think TransCape has made? What's the biggest impact or like shift that you've seen in the community?
14 years, the impact, I must say, is the holistic side of our NPO now, because once you start with one compound, and let's say there was now education and the culinary school or whatever. Once you start with the one part, you feel like, oh, but there is this puzzle stuff missing, and then we have to add it to then make it whole. And that is how it comes that the TransCape has got so many different projects and so many different categories to make it as complete as possible, and then also reach out. We're not staying only in this village, but we have got another 2 wards which are close to us, which we are also active. So I think that is a big secret. You do have to put the puzzle pieces together.
Yeah. It can't just focus on one thing. It has to be all. It can't be fragmented. You know, it has to be a whole.
Yes. Yeah. Almost like a family project. You look at the family, and what have you got? You have got children, little children who need to go to school. You have got the medium children who need to learn, have a good education. But then you need the tertiary school where we do scholarships as well and stuff like that as well. But then if the family is not healthy, you cannot learn. So then the health side comes in to make sure that the children don't have their snotty noses and their immune system is built up, which then comes in with your nutrition. And then the permaculture side, the garden side, and education in terms of nutritional. Then job creation. Mom and dad are unemployed, so there's no income. We are relying on the grants. What can be done? There could be job creation, there could be microfinance, there could be anything else which then creates a little bit of income, and that already then makes big improvements for the whole family if there's just that little bit of money separate on the side to then save up for something more and so on. So
that's really you building the community from the ground up, and you're not leaving anyone behind, you know.
Exactly.
Sort of just you take the whole family with you. Wow. Okay. Let's step out. So much. so much is being done.
We lived in a box. Swam in the puddles. And climbed on the rocks. Snapped at the mosquito. Snapped at the flea. Snapped at the minnow. And snapped at me.
So today I got the privilege to go see the new school that TransCape is building for the children, and I really was touched. Seeing where they come from and what they're creating for the children. As you can see right now, they're in a rondavel and they're teaching plus minus 60 kids in a rondavel. And now, you know, they're building facilities where they can accommodate even a larger group of children, and they're like various classrooms, they're information centers and classrooms, and just giving dignity to these children, you know, because I feel like sometimes they're forgotten. Like these little kids are forgotten, and they are the most important people in our communities, because the future really is with these children, you know, and empowering them. And so it was just really a privilege to talk to Astrid and finding out like the whole idea of this foundation and the fact that it's about holistically growing this environment. That by teaching a child, you're growing the entire family, and teaching a child how to holistically grow themselves and their communities and to give back to their communities. So it's really empowering. It's really empowering for these kids to sort of move from a small space to bigger spaces, and to know that they're worthy of it. They're worthy of all these opportunities. They're worthy of being, they're worthy of being in facilities that are well, that have resources, that have great resources, because what it's doing is just, it's empowering their minds, and it's helping them know and believe that whatever it is they have to give to the world is important, and their thoughts are important, and their contribution to the world is important, and it's necessary, and that the future of their community is in their hands. And it's really amazing because they're shifting the way these kids think, and once you shift a child's mind, you've shifted an entire nation, and that's what this initiative is doing. And we have leaders right now. It's an institution for leaders that are going to change the paradigm of this continent and of their communities. So and just look at how amazing it is. Children are curious, man. They're curious. They're playing with puzzles. They're reading books, and they're really curious about learning and using their imagination to discover things themselves. And there's nothing as amazing as that. Nothing as amazing as igniting a child's imagination, because that's where the fire is. That's the beginning of great change.